Hello students, good morning everyone. In last class, I covered supplementary from Unit 2, the apple tree and the farmer, is it? Did you all like this supplementary? Okay children, already you learned about question answers of this supplementary. Today, I am going to recall all the question answers from this supplementary and you are going to write test upon it. Today, you don't have any assignment. You have to write test of 3 question answers from this supplementary. Okay, come, let's recall. You have 3 question and answer in this supplementary. Think and answer. The topic is think and answer. Yes, you are going to think and answer it. Okay. First one, which part of the story do you like and why? Which part do you like in the story? They are asking it this question. Okay. I like the last part of the story because the farmer realizes his mistakes and puts down his axe. He understands that the tree was a home to many lovely birds and animals. Now we move on to second one. If the little animals become homeless, what will happen? What will happen if the animals lost their home? This is your second question. If the little animals become homeless, they will become desperate and die. They become die. If they homeless means they become desperate and also they become die. And we move on to third question. What made the farmer to realize his mistakes? When the farmer ate a juicy apple which was hanging from a branch, the memories of the fun he had as a boy came rushing back. This made the farmer realize his mistakes. He realized his mistake and said not to cut down the trees, is it? So, today you learned book question answers of your supplementary. Already you know all the 3 question answers and I hope you all wrote it in your classwork. Is it children? Today your work is you are going to write test upon these 3 simple question and answers. These 3 question answers are very simple and easy. So do your test very sincerely and post it in your Google Classroom as soon as possible children. Kindly revise once again. You are going to revise all the 3 question answers once again and then you are going to write the test. Is it clear to you children? Once more I will explain it to you. I read it out. Listen carefully. Think and answer. First one. Which part of the story do you like and why? I like the last part of the story because the farmer realized his mistake and puts down his axe. He understands that the tree was a home to many lovely animals and birds. And then second one is, if the little animals become homeless, what will happen? What will happen if the animals become homeless? If the little animals become homeless, they will become desperate and die. They will die if they lost their homes, is it? So we move on to third one. What made the farmer realize his mistakes? How he realized his mistakes? How did the farmer realize his mistakes? Yes, very good. When the farmer ate a juicy apple which was hanging from a branch, the memories of the fun he had as a boy came rushing back. This made the farmer realize his mistakes. He ate an apple and he had his memories of his childhood which he spent under this tree. So by remembering his childhood, he put down the axe and said not to cut down the trees. I hope this is very easy and understood to you. Okay children, today you are going to write test. Do your test sincerely, children. You just recall all the 3 question answers and write down neatly as a test. Okay, children, I have hope in you. You do your best, children. Okay, parents, please do support your children to complete his or her homeworks. And also kindly maintain a regular classwork for each subjects. It will be useful for your exam. Okay, as I said already, today you don't have homework. Instead of homework, you are going to recall these question answer and write and submit it soon. Thank you.